If you want to read a book, you probably go to a website like Amazon or similar to buy it. But did you know there is a good chance that you might find the same book on the different websites entirely for free? That's right, the exact same book that you buy for $10 to $13 at Amazon, you might be able to get completely for free. Okay, so now I will tell you 5 different websites where you can get books for free. Okay, so now the first website is manybooks.net. As you browse the website, you can see the books are sorted into different categories. Let's go to view all. And here you will see different categories. If we click on one of those categories, such as nature, it will open up like this. Here I will suggest you to sort after popularity just to make sure that you get the most popular book, which are also the most interesting one. Okay, so now once you have decided which book you want to read, simply open that book and here you will see a big button of free download. Tap on it and it will ask you to sign in with your Google account. So simply continue with Google. And now if we tap on free download, here you will see a different formats of the book, whether you want it in HTML or PDF. But here PDF will be pretty good for me. I will go with PDF here. Select the format that you want. Simply tap on it and it will start downloading like this. Website number 2 is gutenberg.org. Okay, so in this website we have 70,000 free ebooks. If I go with this book here and it will open up like this. Here you have different options. You can read it online, but we are downloading a book, so you can choose any format. Once you click on the format, it will automatically start downloading. So if I go with the second one here, I just simply tap on it and it will start downloading like this. Now let me open up for you guys and it looks like this. Now our ebook is downloaded. Let's move to the third website, which is Open Library. In this website, you will also get a different categories, which is trending, classic and much more. But here we will go with a classic book. One thing of this website is you will borrow the book, like you will read the book online. Let's say we choose this book, Secret for a Nightingale. Okay, so now here you see the option borrow, tap on it and now you need to sign up with your Google account. Just click on sign in with Google and now choose your Google account and it will log you in. Now we are logged in and now we can borrow the book. You can search for a book manually, but as an example, I just choose this book and click on borrow. It will take a couple of seconds and a new tab will open and now your book is open and you can read from here. Now let's move to the website number 4, which is free textbooks. Okay, so in this website, go to browse book and here you will see different category, whether you want all the books or you want by category. So let's choose this book, College Algebra. Now scroll all the way down and here you will see the option download this textbook. Once you open it, the new tab will open and here your book will open in PDF format. Once it is open, here on the top right corner, you see the option download. Tap on it and your book will start downloading. In this way, you can download any book from this website. Now let's move to the 5th website, which is the last one for this video. And the website name is Planet Publish. Okay, so now in this website, here you see the option search bar. You can search for any book here. And if I scroll down, this is free ebooks that is suggested by the website. So if I click on The Tale of Two Cities, it will open up like this. And now if I scroll all the way down to the bottom, here they give the option of download now. There is 2 formats, in standard and in tagged. But now I will go with the standard one. So simply click on this and the book will open in the PDF format. Now in the top right corner, you see the option download and now just simply click on save. And now your book will start downloading. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question or confusion, comment down below. Subscribe to the channel for more interesting tutorials. Bye.